Hey guys, it's me, Angie. It's storming outside. Yay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. So actually, I have to charge my phone because our power went out, and we're gonna need flashlights. So I charge my phone, and my phone is my only camera, so we're going to charge it up right now. Anyways, you can see my tapestry in the background because I put up my tapestry, my bed and stuff. This isn't a room tour, it's just to show you guys. Anyways, did I just fall? Like, what went wrong? What happened there? So yeah, basically I just want to film it if it does go out again. And so I'm going to show you guys how hard it's raining. It's the outside actually, but it's pouring rain. You can see on my window. Pouring rain. Can you hear that? Okay, well, it's thundering, raining, and raining so hard, like really hard, like super hard. We actually had a flood warning. And for some people, flood warnings are scary, and they kind of are to me. But I don't have a basement, so yeah. It's like pouring rain, like pouring, like it's coming out of a hot tea kettle, like. You guys want to see my biggest fan? No. I'll leave now. Ow. I hit my knee. Where is it? There it is. I hit my knee right there. Okay, well, let's do a checkup on my animals to see if they're scared or not. Probably not, but you know. Never know. Shelly, my hermit crab isn't scared. T back there with the lighthouse on it is not scared, just tired, and Bandit is fine, the one in the red, so they're fine. Let's go check on my dog. Spooky, good. Spooky, I came to say hi. Say hi. Yeah, she's good. She's good. Okay, so all my animals are fine. Okay, I'm just gonna ask a question. Do you guys think, why is the door open? Do you guys think that the Disney 3 is going to be delayed since Cameron Boyce died? Do you think it's gonna be delayed, or do you think they're just gonna have to make a death scene like without him though? Like, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. Maybe they're just gonna have to make a death scene, or they're just gonna redo it, and or movie 3 is gonna be delayed. I'm not sure, but we'll have to find out. I just found out something. Listen, I have this stuff in here, so if you want to come out, just get this, and where you can find this stuff. A whole bunch of necklaces, a seahorse gem that I have in my hair wrap, it's like this, then like the thread before I got my haircut, and then a penny, and you just put all of these things in. You need like 1, 2, 3, 4 necklaces, and you stick those in, and you put on the top of the lid, you should get. Mama. I don't know what I'm doing with my life anymore. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I know this was short, but like I really don't know what to do. So yeah, peace, stay fun, love you guys. Please subscribe, comment down below, and punch. Like punch. But don't break your screen. Punch that bell. Subscribe, of course. Hit that like button. Stay fun, love you all, and